Okay, what we're going to do here is something I call 5-minute books. This is something if you're not using an accountant to get financial statements every month, this is a way you can do a rough profit and loss statement / review your general ledger at the same time. It should only take about 10 or 15 minutes to do it per month. So here we go. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to log into your bank account and you want to download your activity. Okay, so what you want to do here is you want to come in here and download your files, a comma separated, and we pick that account, and we pick a date range, and we're going to pick last month, so December. And you hit download, and complete download, and it's coming down here. We're going to hit the open button. Okay. So there's my activity for the month of December. Now my bank has a very crude download, so on mine you're going to also have to use a bank statement, which I previously downloaded. Now at the same time, we're going to do this on a credit card. We're going to come over here and we're going to put my American Express card. We went to our activity, and I'm just going to download all transactions. Again, CSV file. And we hit download. Come over here, and we're going to open it. Okay, so here's my American Express, pretty much for the month of December. All right, so now you've got your activity here. Now we're going to go through and we're going to see how this whole thing works. So I'm just going to get rid of this stuff here because it's extra stuff. I'm going to insert a couple rows here. Now I'm going to create columns, and we're going to go, this is a credit card, so we won't have sales, but we're going to put sales up here anyways. We're going to put in loans, and these will be loans from you that you had to put into your company in order to make the bills. And then we're going to have cost of goods, advertising. So basically what I'm doing is I'm creating a profit and loss statement, but I'm going sideways instead of up and down. So you're just going to list out all your expenses that you normally have. So we got advertising, auto expense, let's see, what else, internet, phone, oh, I know one I want to put in here. I'm going to insert a column. Credit card. Insert another column. Loan payments. Entire column. Payroll. Insert another column. We'll go payroll tax. Now we're going to add more as we go along, but I just kind of want to get the ball rolling here. I'm just going to put a nice little underline underneath this somewhere. Okay. All right, so the first one's Dropbox. Okay, so that's the service I use to store some files. So I need something. I'm going to put that under internet. So I'm just going to hit the plus, bring it over. Build your firm. That is a marketing firm that I use. So that's advertising. So let's scroll over and bring those numbers over. Facebook, again, some advertising for some Facebook leads. Intuit Pro Series. I bought some software. So let's come over here and put software. That's my tax return software. So basically you just hit plus and you pull it over to this column. And Starbucks. Okay, some meals entertainment. I'm going to put in here. Let's insert entire column. I'm going to call office supplies. And then we're also going to need insert entire column. Meals. Entertainment. So Starbucks is going to be meals, entertainment. Again, I hit plus. Just keep the arrow going over until I grab it. Boom. PayPal. Book to taxes. I'm going to call that payroll. That's actually more independent contractor. But that's what they are. Speedway Auto. That's gas station. That's an expense. Alarm grid. That's our alarm. So that's more over here to phone. And let's put over here utilities. Now what I'm going to do over here, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to freeze this column so we can see everything. Shrink it up a little bit and we're going to go right here and I'm going to go view, freeze planes. Keep rows and columns visible while the rest of the thing. So I click there and now that allows me to see while I pull stuff over. Alright, so next one's ExxonMobil 35. Again, that's going to be gas. Come over here, hit the plus. Hit that. Bought some more gas. Amazon, we're going to call that office supplies. So when you see when I froze those planes, if I go over this way now, we still can see what the description is without screwing that up. Canva, okay, that's the software we're using right now to view what we're watching right now. Okay, actually, nope, Canva is not that. Canva is advertising, so I need to delete that. They're actually pictures. Cooper Hawk, okay, that's meals entertainment. FedEx, I don't have a postage. So you can see I can insert these columns on a fly. Postage, come down here. There's FedEx. Regis, that is rent. I have a couple Regis offices, so we need to put in rent. Insert column rent. Amazon's office supplies. ExxonMobil's auto. So basically all I'm doing here is just going through and categorizing all my credit card transactions for the month of December. AWA, that is, I'm going to call it advertising. Constant Contact is advertising. Unbounce is advertising. Jewel, $2.54. Alright, it's going to be office. Audible is professional development. So I'm going to create one over here. Got some garbage there. Let's get rid of that. Speedway, that's a gas station. Alright, that's toll road, so I had to buy some tolls. EFAX services, that's more like internet. That's how we use our faxing. Amazon Office. So you kind of get an idea what I'm doing here. I'm not going to go through the entire thing. But then what you do, then you come down here, and what we've done here, we put everything into categories. Alright, so I skipped a whole bunch of stuff, or actually did a whole bunch, so I wouldn't have to pull you through every single one. But now we got about 10 here, so I'm going to kind of like finish it up here in front of you. Alright, so we got Amazon, again that's office supplies. So again, we're just pulling these numbers over into the categories that we call them. That's Verizon, that's my telephone bill. I should call that phone. Schedule 1 is another advertising. So is active. Amazon, I got returned some stuff. Best Buy. Some office stuff I returned, bought and returned. Zapier's advertising. Constant Contact. Parking meters, that's the automated meters for downtown Chicago. Oops, I got an error going here. Starbucks. And then Google, which is advertisements. Okay, so now I'm done. You see I have about, oops, sorry about that. About 70 some transactions. 60 some. Alright, so now let's just come in here and let's put in an ad. So let's add it all up. Now if this was a bank account we would have sales, but we don't have it because it's a credit card. But the reason why I did this for a reason, you'll see in a minute. Alright, and let's just scroll that over. Copy it over. Okay, now we got everything added up. So basically all we've done here is we just categorize our entire month for our credit card based on these categories. Alrighty, so not that hard. But now you can say, okay, this is what I spent on advertisement, this is what I spent on my auto, internet, meals, entertainment, payroll, which is basically independent contractor we pay by credit card. There's our phone, there's our postage, professional development, office supplies, rent, software, and utilities. So nothing really hard here.